check out the back. So, explode as explode. Come here. Come over and see this. You still filming?
Yeah.
Look at the hole at me. Come over here. No. Dude, turn around. Come over here.
Oh.
Hole made in the back. And you pushed the whole thing in and made a giant fucking hole. See, is everything in there?
Whew.
Alright. No mag. Loading this thing sucks without a tray or something. Safely, at least.
Hold up. Drilled it. That thing's
Pretty close. I think I pulled it up a little.
happens when you do the. I'm gonna come from this side, Johnny. Hold on, so I can see you shooting. Damn.
You can leave it on if you want to go try to zoom in a little bit.
Whew. I'm taking a walk out here. You know, get clean. All right.
Vine natural target stands. That's the entrance. It's tiny. That's the exit. Didn't explode like I thought it would.